Hey, what are you looking at? What do you see? I'm gonna be quiet getting through here. They might be in this building. What are we looking at? Oh, yep. Good call. Thank you. Save me. They're in ruin. They took it. All right. Okay. I got 2 dead by the pond. Hey, I got 2 dead to the left. How's the right look? Hey, there might be contact to the left. Let's flip out and go around.
I got flipped off. The guy didn't have his play out. He kept taking him.
Oh, he's stupid then. Skill issue. That's stuff like that is why I have the camera, honestly. Partially so I can show people what it's like, throw it up on YouTube, whatever. Mostly so that I can deal with people like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got dead guys over here. We need to get this way.
How are we doing?
There's dead guys to the left. So they might be coming from the left around the wood pile.
There's something with something over there.
Yeah. Hey, on these buildings, Hey, they're coming up on the left. Hold that. They're coming from the left. Yellow. They're trying. Okay, if you can, we gotta be quiet. We're gonna go around. They're on the wood pile right now. Sorry, I thought there was a medic there. Sorry, I thought y'all had a medic between you.
Are you hit?
Those, well, I was trying to hit him and it got you. Hit!
Oh, holy crap.
You a medic?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna throw a grenade over there.
I don't know more. I can't. Okay, that's how that goes. Cover me. Cover me. .45. This is probably not a good position. You're laying down. That's a no shit thing. I'm sitting up just because this is not conducive to laying on. There. I was like, if that guy doesn't put a dead rag on, I'm popping him. You did. That was awesome.
He was putting it. Hey, it's hot over there. You see all those dead blues? Right around the corner. Probably on the side of this too. We got 12 seconds.
Hey, are you yellow? Woodpile, are you yellow?
Yes.
2-1, you're good.
His friendlies in the building almost shot you. They're like, Woodpile,
yeah.
are you yellow?
Yellow. Damn, that grenade,
Air bursted. Shoot it. Shoot
Holy
it. Shoot
crap.
it.
Well, we're getting flyers over us. I gotta go back to that one.
Nah, get it later. Hold that left side.
I know, I'm just saying, at one point we have to put back for that.
Heard. We hold this.
Huh?
We hold this, but there's a lot of blues that keep running up,
Okay.
as you can see by the body pile.
Yeah. Not inside, around, right?
Correct. Inside is yellow.
Okay.
Let's see if he survives.
Yeah.
I'm tempted to go over the wood pile.
They might say something about you climbing on it, though.
Well, I'm 6.5 feet tall, and the limiteds don't climb more than 6 feet, so we're good.
Yeah, he just went in.
Yellow. How's our left looking?
We're pushing up.
Okay.
I literally have no one.
I think we're good over there.
I believe in nothing. I'm just using the file.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, there we go. I got an extra dead rag. You just tie it on your arm. It's good. High vis yellow, you know? I don't see anyone. I'm gonna go see how that push is going. How's we looking over here? Oh, that's good.
It looks like there's somebody in that conic shooting.
Well, he just walked right in front of that door and that window and didn't get shot. So
No, I don't think it is. It's just a...
it's a silhouette of something.
Yep. Oh, we got one up here anyway.
So we've killed like 5 or 6 guys trying to storm 30.
You guys should chill here. You guys are keeping that LMG. There's an LMG in there and
Okay.
a dye mask.
If y'all are able to figure out what Cannibal looks like right now, I think we hold it, but I'm not sure. I don't know. If y'all want to push toward Cannibal and figure that out, that'd be great. Just come back and report in. Hey, they're pushing over here. They're on L1.
L1?
Mhm.
Left or window?
Behind it.
Okay.
So they might be either.
Yeah, they're in the window and behind.
Is that yellow across the pond?
Did you see that guy walking through the window? That's the yellow inside L1.
Okay.
Not the yellow inside there.
No, unfortunately.
Yellow inside L1.
I do, actually. You want it? Yeah, yeah. I'm like, there's no way I can make it to you, but I can pass it to you.
I'm kind of athletic, so I'll probably catch it.
I don't trust the Amazon build quality.
Don't tell anybody.
Thank you.
Yep, hit the button again to turn it off.
Where did you get this?
Amazon, like 15 bucks. Yeah, just look for a waist fan.
What's it called?
A waist fan. Yellow. Don't peek that. Don't peek that. Marshall crossing the door. Yep. Are you ready to move?
Yeah.
Get ready. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah. Also, your pouch is open with your phone in it.
Your pouch is open.
Phone pouch is open.
You able to move? You ready?
Yeah.
I'm not a medic, but I can at least get you to cover. I'm gonna go look for one.
My gun's right there.
All right, I'll grab it.
Sorry, I dropped it.
Medic!
Yellow medic.
Yellow medic! What, the fan?
I don't know if you can. But...
No, unfortunately. Yellow medic! Trying to cool off? Yeah. Yellow medic! Yellow medic! You're cleared across if you run. Really? Ah.
Is this one LG or what?
Big dip. All the way on the end. Just walk till you see a yellow flag, basically.
Okay. I might just walk in this flag.
That's fair. I've been yelling for a minute. He might just walk. He might just walk.
The medic's going to take another 3 minutes. So.
You can probably walk in that time, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Godspeed. See you in a minute. Or 3. He's walking. How's it looking from over there? Yeah. We keep getting guys charging 30, and I keep killing them because they're looking at the door and not the wood pile. It's a lot of fun. No clue. You wanna go check? Yeah. Welcome back. Sounds good.
I think we're pushing up
I saw
Ballahack
movement
L1.
on the other side of the pond, so I think we hold the pond right now.
Okay.
I don't know about the Connexes right here.
They gotta have them, right?
I'd hope so, but I don't know. Yeah, fair. I think we hold Peanut Pond. I hope we do at least. If we don't, somebody screwed up. All right, we have yellow at L1. Corner, corner.
Oh, hit it. Oh, okay.
Did I get you? It didn't go off? That's a shame. Well, I'll have to deal with that later. On the corner. Shit. Nope, dry. There's blue on me. Sorry. Hit! Good shot, damn. That was a good shot, man. Dead man coming out. Oh, I didn't tighten it enough. I'm dead. I don't know how I'm alive. Hey y'all, on the wood pile, watch your back. I got one. I don't know if there's others. Hey, we can take 30.
Watch backside of Thunder down.
Okay. I think we're clear over there. Let's roll her up. We can get in 30 right here.
Oh, medic's coming.
Oh, I'm a medic. I was involved in it.
All right, we got people covering that side. Let's go this way to get in. Hey, go this way to get in. I wouldn't go that way. All right, I'm gonna go this way.
Ashton, get up here.
You're good. Hey, I'm watching your corner. Oh, dude, you got lit up. Hey, medic! He got shot from the right. Unable. Hey, y'all want to make a run for the flag? Hey, they're shooting back. That's why I said they're shooting back. Medic! Hey, they're running, they're running, they're running. Watch that tan Connex. Yep. I know. Don't. I can't hit him. I can't hit him. Game! I couldn't see him, so.
Yeah.
This stump right here was blocking. Yeah. So I figured there were 3 or 4 over here that I lit up. Popped one guy right in the face. I just saw a black semicircle on a Connex and just dinked one right off it.
I think,
Good game?
No, yeah, good job, guys.
I think right here there's 6 of them. I like,
Yeah.
they're awesome.
Dude. I did something similar earlier, yeah.